Exercise 12.2, question number 11th is, a car has two wipers which don't overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. कार में वाइपर होते हैं, इसलिए होते हैं
Sir, to remove the droplets of water also.
Yes. ओके, ये जो एंगल बढ़ रहा है कितना हो 115. Radius is 25 centimeter. Same as it is 115 degree and 25 centimeter. We will find out this formation is, ये formation किसकी है? We have to find out the area covered by two blades in each sweep.
Sector.
एक ही sweep में सेक्टर फॉर्म और सेक्टर की फॉर्मेशन है.
Yes.
Area covered by two blades in each sweep. Area covered by two blades in each sweep. Okay. Yes. Multiply by 2. सिंगल का निकाल लेते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 कर देते हैं. ओके. थीटा बाई 360 into pi r square. Put the value, find the answer. Put the values and find the answer. Okay. Yes. What is the value of theta? 150 divided by 360, and the value of pi is
22/7.
and radius is 20.
5.
25 into 25. Okay. It is centimeter square.
2 11s and
Yes.
2 180.
180. 180.
2 11s 22 and
3 5 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 36. Okay.
sir अब ये 22 और 36
Now a 2 18
and 2 11.
to 11. Please multiply it and find the answer. 23 into 11 into 625 and divided by 126 centimeter square. Okay. What is the solution?
1581251.
One second. 1581 25 divided by 126 centimeter square. Okay, do it fast.
Sir please
Just do it fast. Question number 12. To warn ship for underwater rocks. To warn ship for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread a red color light. Lighthouse का काम क्या है? Spread the red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ship are warned. Pi 3.14. यहाँ पे क्या एक लाइट हाउस है, उसका काम क्या है कि जो शिप आ रहे हैं उनको वार्न करना है अंडर वाटर रॉक्स के लिए. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है, जो समुद्र होता है उनमें कुछ चट्टानें जो होती है वो उभर जाती हैं, और वो क्या करती है, जो शिप से आते हैं वो हिट करते हैं, और उससे क्या है, शिप को क्या है, डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सकती है, शिप का डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सकता है. इसलिए टू वार अंडर वाटर रॉक्स, ए लाइट हाउस स्प्रेड द लाइट to an angle of 80 degree. Radius is 16.5 kilometer. रेडियस क्या है 16.5 किलोमीटर तक उसकी रेडियस इसके अंदर सी के अंदर. ओके, कैन यू डू इट?
सर बट रेडियस कैसे होगी? शिप तो
शिप ना, शिप नहीं है, उसकी लाइट जो लाइट जा रही है उसकी
लाइट कर रहा है,
जो लाइट स्प्रेड हो रही है उसकी रेडियस है. ओके, 180 डिग्री से स्प्रेड कर रहा है, 80 डिग्री एंगल से स्प्रेड हो रही है. एंगल इज 80 डिग्री, रेडियस इज 16.5 किलोमीटर. यू टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया covered by the lighthouse. Okay, any doubt, any problems? Can you do it?
yes
Yes. Now, yes, your next is question number 13. Question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal design as shown in figure.
sir you will not solve question now.
A round table cover has 6 equal design as shown in figure 12.14. If the radius of cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 35 paise per centimeter square. Okay,
So 35 plus
Okay. root 3 is equal to 1.7. 1.7. First of all, we will find out the area of one design. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, we will multiply it by 6. So area of 6 design.
Yes.
After finding the area of 6 design, we will multiply it by 35 paise. 35 by 100 rupees. Okay. Yes. Draw the figure. First of all, draw the figure. Yes. Yes. Okay. Six equal design. The center of the circle. Join it. Join it. Join it. Join it. Join it. And also join it. Okay. Yes. Now radius is 28 centimeter. Yes. This angle will be theta. A round table cover is divided into 6 equal design. A round table cover. A round table cover. Table cover. Divided into 6 equal design. Equal designs. Okay. Now theta is equal to 360 by 6. Why?
So
Because it's 6 designs.
6 design. That is 60 degree.
yes,
Okay. It is your 60 degree. Now we have to find out the area of this portion. This is your. ये क्या है आपके पास?
Segment, sir.
Segment. Okay.
There are 6 segments.
Area of 6 equal design. 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 6 into theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2
Cos
and
theta
cos
by
theta by 2. Area of segment multiplied by 6. Multiplied by
60
6.
by
Yes. Now 6 into pi r square. Just do it. Do it.
Sir, one more square.
Yes, do it.
सर आपका 6 से क्यों यूज किया?
Because there's six designs.
Now r square is common. Now theta pi by 360 into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay? Yes, 6. What is the value of r?
88 into 28.
28 square, and theta is
60.
value of pi is given
22 by 7.
22 by 7. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is 360 minus sin theta. Theta is
60.
divided by 2 cos 60 divided by 2. Ready? Yes.
Sir, आप इसका ज़्यादा square कर
60 6
sin 30.
2 11 2 3. Yes. 6 into 784. 11 by 21. Okay. Sin that is 30, and that is also 30. Sin 30
√3/4
cos 30 sin 60 √3 by 2. And value of √3 is 1.73.
1.7. No, sir.
1.7.
1.7.
11 by 21 minus 1.7
Yes.
divided by 4. Yes. Multiply it. 6 4 are 24.
2K.
2 carry. 6 8 are 48. 48 and 2 50. 5 carry. 6 4 are 6 7 are 42 or 5 46.
5.
11 by 21 minus 1.7 into 4. Okay.
We'll take the LCM.
Take the answer, please.
84. 84.
Yes. 21 4 are 84. 4 into 11 44 minus that is 21. 21 into 1.7. 17 1 are 70. 1 carry. 72 are 34. 34 or
35.7.
35.7.
Yes.
sir.
Subtract it. Please do it.
4.3
4.3.
Yes, sir.
4.3.
हाँ सर
Yes, sir.
सर 8.3 क्या
8.3 divided by
80
84. Yes. 4,700 divided by 12 possible or not? 12 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, चेक करना एक बार.
12 says.
सर ये
4,704 divided by 12 or not?
नहीं सर नहीं
Sir, more actually. 12 sevens are 84 and
12
is
12 3s are 36.
सर 9 बजे
11 लोग इस बच्चे 11
110.
होता रहे.
यस
12 7s are 12 3s are 36. 11 12 9s are 108. 12 2s are 24. अब ये यहाँ से से चला जाएगा सर. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 40. 56 multiplied 8.3. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. Are you doing? Ansika, Vartika, are you doing? Yes. Ankita, Aditya Pratap Singh.
464.8.
Yes.
464.8.
464.8
464.8.
centimeter square.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Now cost. You have to find out the cost.
0.35.
Yes, 0.35 rupees. Okay, 0.35 rupees. Do it fast.
0.35
अरे यार चुप
Do it fast. How much the answer है?
Sir, it's sir 1, 2, 3, sir 162.680.
Take the correct answer in the following. Area of sector angle P in degree of a circle with radius R is. Yes. Area of sector of angle P in degree of circle with radius R is. Area of sector. Area of sector. Area of sector. If your if angle is P and radius is capital R, theta angle is P,
Yes, sir.
theta by 360 pi r square. ये फॉर्मूला होता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now theta is P, that is 360, and pi radius is capital R. Okay. Please check the option. Listen. Minute of silence. That is 2 pi r square. Okay. 720. Okay. Yes. Multiplied by 2 divided by also 2.
Yes, sir.
अगर मल्टीप्लाई 2 से करते हैं और डिवाइड करते हैं 2 से तो ऑप्शन क्या होता है? देखिए आप
टू से क्यों करेंगे?
सेम होता है. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे.
मल्टीप्लाई क्यों कर रहे हैं?
चलिए
ऑप्शन देखो कहाँ ऑप्शन मैच हो रहा है आपका नहीं. इसमें कोई ऑप्शन मैच हो रहा है? भाई हमने ऑप्शन मैच करना पड़ेगा ना. अब देखिए यहाँ पे आपके पास 2 पाई आर फर्स्ट तो हो ही नहीं सकता, सी भी नहीं हो सकता. या तो बी पे जाएंगे या हम डी पे जाएंगे.
डी पे तो नहीं जाएंगे सर, डी पे ही जाएंगे।
ठीक है ना. अब आप देखिए इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं.
तो 720
2p into pi r square and 360 multiplied 2. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. इसको ऐसे करने से क्या होगा? p into 2 pi r square
I'm 720
and that is 720. Please check the answer.
यही है
Yes.
सर।
यही है सर.
Okay.
Last
We have completed the exercise. So it's the combined form of exercise 12.1 and 20.
In my point of view, this exercise is most important exercise of this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Exercise 12.3. Question number first. Yes. A circle is given. A circle is given. Diameter is given. Okay. Now this is your okay. It is your centrum and it is your RPQ. RPQ. RP. Okay. Yes. Find the area of shaded region in figure 12.19 if PQ is 24 centimeter. PQ is 24 centimeter. Okay. Yes. And PR is 7 centimeter. Yes. And O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Yes. Find find the area of shaded region. Shaded region. We have to find out the area of shaded region. Yes. Yes. We have to find out the area of this shaded region. Any views? Any points to solve this question? Yes, Kassis.
So as the center is given us, so what we can do is that we would just take, we have two sectors if we see clearly. Then we'll take one sector first because we are given the length of one
Sector का मतलब है.
सर सेक्टर हम लेंगे
कैसे लेंगे sector?
सर क्योंकि हमें वो गिवन है ट्रायंगल गिवन है
सेक्टर के लिए आपको रेडियस चाहिए और आर्क चाहिए.
So we can find the area of semicircle.
Sit down.
So area of semicircle, then the triangle, and then we'll subtract first semicircle, then we'll subtract the
चलो,
area of triangle.
Yes, yes, listen. अब ठीक है. अभी listen होते चल एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल में से हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल माइनस कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. अब इसमें रेडियस तो है नहीं. एरिया ऑफ सेमी सर्कल कैसे निकालें?
So पहले Pythagoras
Listen to me.
hypotenuse.
Listen to me. Pythagoras theorem we will apply in right angle triangle. It is not a right angle triangle.
Sir, it is.
कौन कह रहा है?
सर ने कभी बना दिया है नहीं वो.
अरे
कौन कह रहा है इसको?
मैं भी बनाऊंगा.
राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल कहाँ है? बताइए.
But it is not mentioned, ना? हाँ, जब mention
Angle semicircle is a right angle.
Yes. Listen to me. Hey, someone is responding. Yes.
Sir, angles in semicircle are 90 degree.
Yes. Very good. Sit down. Yes. In 9th class, chapter number 10, circle, theorem 10.11.
सर आपको
Yes. We have already studied. क्या हो गया?
कैसे note theorem number also.
So same thing. Sir, 90 degree angle is formed there.
Yes.
तो सर वो तो दिख
Angle
रहा है.
made in A. दिखता है क्यों आपको?
तो सर मैंने बताया है सर.
तुमने क्या बताया?
मैंने बताया कि सर it is
Sir,
formed
all
90
this is
degree
easy.
and then it's
Listen.
ये क्या?
Sir,
Listen.
without proving we can't say it's a right answer.
Listen.
चलो.
अब देखिए QR is a diameter, so angle RPQ. QR is the diameter. QR is the diameter of the circle. Okay, given. Yes, angle RPQ is equal to 90 degree. Why? Angle made in semicircle. Angle made in semicircle is right angle. Okay. Angle made in semicircle. Yes. It is 90 degree. Now, in right angle triangle, two sides are given. RP 7 centimeter, UP is 24 centimeter. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the QR. Okay. In right angle triangle RPQ.
सर फिर आप कितना जल्दी से
In right angle triangle RPQ. Yes. According to Pythagoras theorem, we get Pythagoras theorem. We get. Yes. What is your Pythagoras theorem?
X square equals b square.
Hypotenuse
Hypotenuse
square.
is equal to base square plus
Perpendicular
hypotenuse.
square plus base square. Okay. Yes. Yes.
24.
Hypotenuse your QR.
After calculation.
QR square. your PQ plus RP. PQ plus RP. Okay. QR.
So an
Need to
example
find out.
we write by using PGT.
PQ is
So 24.
24. RP is 7.
Yes.
QR is 576 plus 49.
6.
6.5.
625, that is 25.
25.
Yes.
Answer now, wait.
That is 625, that is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now your diameter is 25 centimeter.
अरे सर क्यों?
Diameter is 25 centimeter. Okay. Yes. First, please complete it.
Yes, sir, please wait.
Yes.
सर लेकिन आपने 6